Are you constructing a new building? Billy is trapped under some pipes and needs your help. Supertruck, it's time for you to transform.
Hey. Hey.
Can you hold the sneeze, Billy? Work fast, Supertruck! Billy could sneeze at any moment! Watch out, Supertruck! Get the ST3000! Good job, Supertruck! Thanks to Supertruck for saving the day. Hey, Jerry! Trying to break the speed record? Hi, Edna. Looks like you're doing some heavy digging. Is that for a special occasion? I see. You'd better get back to it then. Whoa! Something's not right. Edna's digging is making the tunnel ceiling crumble. Jerry, you should stop! Edna, stop digging! The tunnel is collapsing and Jerry's inside! Oh no! Carl, Jerry is in trouble!
Supertruck!
The tunnel is blocked! Which transformation will you choose to go inside, Supertruck? Jerry, Supertruck is here to help. You hear something? The rocks have broken the pipes in their fall. Supertruck, you need to act fast. Hurry up, Supertruck. Let's go! What's happening? Careful! Oh no! The water is coming your way! You need to use your special tool, the ST3000. A laser? Awesome! Well done, Supertruck. You managed to freeze the water. Well, enjoy your skating, guys. See you later.
This is not going to be easy. Supertruck is known to be good at this game. And they score! Right, Supertruck, let's go to the base. Babies and Ben were having fun at the amusement park when Ben accidentally hit the carousel. Now everybody is stuck. That's right. We need to go there right now. Oh no! The situation is now even worse! No, you can't drive on the mud because you'll get stuck. Your wheels just aren't big enough. You've got an idea? A monster truck? Great idea! That's it! Keep going! Okay, Ben. Supertruck will push you out of this trouble. Yes, it's working! They're saved, Ben! Now we have to save the babies. This mud is like quicksand. Come on, Supertruck! Full power! Stop, Supertruck! You'll get stuck if you keep moving. Billy? You came to help us? Fantastic! Thank you for saving Supertruck, Billy! You're right. Let's use ST3000! Billy, you lead the way and try to get as close to the carousel as possible, okay? Come on, baby. It's not time to play. Don't move. You're all safe now, babies. Thank you for your help, Billy. Well, looks like the coaster has been fixed. Who wants to have a play? Okay, let's go. Have fun, everybody. See you next time. Hey, guys. Nice day for a friendly race. Frank takes the lead. Oh, wait. Carl is determined to beat his friend. He's pulling ahead. And it's Carl for the win. It's Billy at the construction site.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Yikes, those pipes have just missed him. What's going on over there? It's Dane. He's sleep driving and sleep crashing. Dane is so close to the edge, he might fall off. You better get over there right away, Carl. They really need your help. Hi, Billy. Don't worry, Supertruck is here to help. What's going on with Dane? You guys have been working overtime, and he fell asleep? Edna doesn't know what's going on, but she's far enough away for now that she's not in any danger. Better hurry, Supertruck, before someone gets hurt. Yikes! Those pipes are moving! Look out, Supertruck! That pipe is heading straight for you! You better transform, or it'll knock you right off the ramp! A super spring truck? Excellent! Phew, that was close. He's still sleeping. Now where is he going? Great idea, super spring truck. You can bounce between levels to catch him. There he goes again. This is unbelievable. There's Edna! Now she's working right below! Oh no! More pipes! Careful, Super Spring Truck! Every move is causing the pipes to vibrate! That's it. Try to wake him up.
Hey!
You did it. He's awake. The pipes. Oh no! The magnet gadget? What's the plan, Super Spring Truck? Of course! The magnet gadget will attract the pipes. That's brilliant! Hooray! You did it! Poor Edna. She doesn't know what's going on. Super Spring Truck just saved you, Edna. Thanks for your help today, Super Truck. Good idea. More coffee for Dane, please, Carrie. We want him to stay awake. At least until bedtime.
Carrie, where are you going in such a hurry? Late for a delivery, eh? Carrie, did you hear the siren? Sounds like Bobby is in trouble. What's going on, Bobby? Bobby, sharks followed you from the ocean. Be careful. Carrie, Bobby can't hear you. Look at the road you're about to... Carrie! Carl! Carrie and Bobby are in trouble! Carrie fell off the bridge, landed on a water lily, and now sharks are coming for them! You need to save them, quick! Look, Carl! Carrie's over there! Oh no! Sharks will be unleashed from the opening bridge any minute now! Quick, Carl! Do you know what vehicle you'll transform into to save her?
Hey, homo,
Carrie, look who's here! You forgot about the sharks. Better watch out! Bobby, Supertruck needs you to tow Carrie to the shore. Hold on, Carrie! You better hurry, Bobby! They're coming! You need to act fast, Carl! Excellent idea! You can use your magnificent ST-3000, of course! Hurry, guys! Wow! Supertruck, it's working! It's pushing the sharks away! Keep it going! Amazing! You scared the sharks away, Supertruck! Well done! Thanks for your help, Supertruck. You're right, Bobby. We'd better make the canal a safer place. Great idea, Supertruck. Let's use a net. Have fun, guys.
Bye.